Hey going guys, it's Dave from AllBrand Caravan Services, and today I'm working on this van behind me. The customer's brought into us a Ziegler and Brown barbecue that he'd like to actually be able to access from the side of his van. So far we're just measuring out. We're going to be cutting a giant opening in the side of this van. In later videos you'll see us framing it all out and creating a fridge slide that will mount the barbecue and accessories for the owner. So keep watching and you'll be able to see the step-by-step process that we do to fit this unit into the side of the van. As continuing with the previous video, we have come inside on this van. Now we've already cut the hole through the side of the van and realised that we actually need to lift the whole bed frame up. So what we've done is we've removed the entire bed assembly. We've gone upstairs, we've cut all new timber, raised and manufactured the new bed frame that we're just about to install into the Caravan itself. We've also made a full tunnel boot on the inside of this van that will actually connect to the bed frame and sit at one level.